Hi guys, so we get a lot of questions like how do you time a bottom? When do you know the bottom's in on a downwards trend? Like for example, crypto is crashing at the minute, everything's down like 10-15%. XRP is absolutely shit the bed this morning, it's gone down about 15%. So where is the bottom in these markets? Well, there are indicators, and I'll teach you a couple of them. Basically, I like to use the exponential moving averages on the hourly time frame, and what I'm looking for here is the 10 hourly EMA to turn bullish and cross the 20. So if you look back through the charts, you can see this was a bottom here. This was a crash, December the 4th, where XRP fell, over 14%, around about 14%. So where was the bottom? So basically, the way you find a bottom is you need to see a reversal. So obviously I need some green candles coming in, and you need to see the 10 EMA cross the 20 EMA with a lot of power, i.e. less red candles and more green candles. It means that the buying pressure's returned and the buying pressure's there. If we see this kind of volume at the bottom here on the rise as well, then it's not actually the bottom. So what you need to do is wait for the crossover, then a retest to confirmation, lots of nice green volume, and away we go. So again, looking back through the chart, there was another little crash here. This was almost another 16% crash there, but where was the bottom? So again, it reversed, crossed over. If you look at the volume at the bottom, there was no sell-off really, the buying pressure had returned, and away we went. And again, looking through the chart, this was another crash here on the 25th of November. From this top bottom, that was almost 36%. That was a huge crash, on the 25th of November. This happens, guys. So basically, again, you just wait for the sell-off to stop, the volume, the red candles to turn green, and for the 10 EMA to cross over the 20, with projection, and away we go. And you can see it was just an uptrend since then. Going back through the charts, this is when XRP's crabbing. This is a small example here. Way back in 14th of November, there was a small crash of say 5% down to the bottom. So you wait for the sell-off to close, wait for the EMA to cross. When it does, away we go, and a continuation. So again, you're just looking for the volume to drop off, the red candles on the hourly, and the crossover, and that's just a confirmation of a trend reversal. And it's very easily tradable. Like for example, down here, if we go to the current price action, see it's just dropping off a cliff. So you wait for this to turn. When it turns, keep an eye on it. When it crosses, wait for a retest, i.e. just there, retest, and away we go. Okay. By retest, I mean that the price action has to retest. So for example, this was a bit of a sell-off here, came down, and then we turned, the red candles dropped, the volume was decreasing, so it pushes it up in the buying pressure in the opposite direction, and we had a breakout and a crossover. Well, it kind of didn't, it just almost crossed over in the other direction, but it bounced off it, then a retest, confirmation, and away we went. So yeah, you'd be looking to buy here and sell up here, but that's another story. We're just looking for a trend reversal. So at the minute, we're on Ripple. If we switch to the 5-minute time frame, you can see it's bounced down here. It was attempting to cross on the 5-minute, got rejected. Now it's going to have another push. So again, you can trade this on the 5-minute. It's a little bit more volatile. You can see, look at the volume in here. There's a lot of red candles. There's a bit of a dogfight going on between the bulls and the bears at the minute. but it is trying to break it, and you can see that the 10 EMA is trying to curl again, and it curls. So what I'll be looking here to trade this, obviously I've done a swing trading video tutorial which you can check out in my channel, but this would be a great swing trading opportunity right here. So as soon as this breaks, keep an eye on it, wait for a retest of the price on the EMA. If it bounces, away we go. And that's how you detect a reversal in the charts. To me, it looks like it's potentially reversing already. We're getting a higher low, so it's looking taster. It's looking like we've had the dip. Bit of a flash crash today. That's it. Bit of a flash crash, trend reversal, and we're off to the races. Bitcoin was always going to correct, and it was going to drag the market down with it anyway. But the reason I'm looking at XRP at the minute, because there's an airdrop on Saturday, the 12th of December. So I think a lot of people are going to buy XRP over the next couple of days. We've got 3 days until the 12th, and I think that people are just going to be lapping this up. I think that XRP is going to go to like $1.20 before this Saturday the 12th. So it'd be a great time to double your money. But obviously from the 12th onwards, I would be looking to get rid of my XRP, because I think that people will just be buying it just for the airdrop and the free Spark token airdrop. But after that, I'd be looking to sell, and I think a lot of other people would be as well. So I'm not sure what time the snapshot is on Saturday. So you probably see a big sell-off on Sunday, but I am expecting a huge pump on XRP over the next couple of days. That's why I'm buying these bottoms. I'm not going to try and swing trade this. I'm just going to buy. Any dip, buy. Any dip, buy. Any dip, buy. You know, if you think it's going to crab for a bit, and then try and swing trade. But for me, it's just a buying option at the minute, because I think that Ripple is going to absolutely explode. So yeah, cool. Cheers, guys. I appreciate your feedback. Keep watching the videos and subscribe. Cheers.